Hi guys, my name is Nishan. I was the first Asian fitness trainer on the cruise ship AIDA. For many years, I have successfully trained the people in the fitness industry all around the world. I'm now making some videos to help you stay healthy, strong and total wellness found in the Live Long Academy. I look for your comment, so keep smiling with the Live Longer Academy. Press the subscribe button and the bell. You will be the first to receive anything new from me. Hallo, ich heiße Nishan. Ich war der erste asiatische Fitnesstrainer auf dem Kreuzfahrtschiff AIDA. Willkommen auf meinem Live Longer YouTube-Kanal. Привет! Добро пожаловать на мой YouTube-канал Живите дольше. Спасибо, vielen Dank, thank you very much.